Alright, so esta es nuestra primera caminada in after the tornado, still experiencing a storm. We have to go run out.
It smells better out here already.
Our first encounter with nature, and the tornado still lingering around there. ¿Verdad? And the tornado is rumbling, it is raining.
It's not a tornado.
Oh, the thunderstorm. But look at our beautiful work right over there. Look at that flower, look at that rose.
Oh, that is gorgeous. Mira. Looks
So-
good.
Okay, vamos a seguir adelante.
Okay.
And we'll probably see a lot of storm, maybe tornado damage along the way. Hopefully not, but we may. We may. ¿Le doy una galleta a este? Usted come bien. Uf. Look at the birds. Oh.
You see all the birds
Yeah.
that are over there?
Just saw the birds right in that, like going, trying to.
They're eating.
Oh, eat. Oh, the rice. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's so bad for them. Oh my god.
The rice is all mushy and buried.
No. You gotta bury that.
Okay.
That'll kill them. Yeah, that's why they stopped throwing rice at weddings.
Or worms. Alright, we'll cover this. In the middle of the storm. The rice out here, dogs eat it, right? And the birds are getting to it. She's saying that supposedly birds explode. Eat rice. Cover all of that compost-ish area. Eesh. There we go. Cover all that rice. Birds can eat eggshells, right? That should be fine. All right, it's all buried up. Hey, that's in the middle of the tornado storm, everyone. In the middle of the tornado storm. And I put the shovel back. And let's get on the road.
Okay, apparently that's a myth.
I thought it was a myth. In New York City, people feed birds like rice all the time.
Really?
Uh-huh. Like that whole thing, I think, came up from a cartoon.
Oh.
Like Stimpy and whatever. I don't know, some one of those cartoons. And then people started to go like make it a thing, or South Park or something, one of those. And this is and you know, we've owned birds for like, my family have had birds, kept birds since, I mean, it's a generational thing.
Those two white ones are going right there
Okay.
by the clematises. I don't know where those two are going. Can't remember what our decision was.